place of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Regrets, I have a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so through, without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful steps along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. There were times, I'm sure we did, when I bit off more than I can chew, but through it all, when there was doubt, I had it up and sped out. I faced the door, and I stood tall, and I did it my way.
I got and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as the tears subside, I find it all so amusing. The pain
I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, no, not me. I did it my way. For once a man, what he has got, if not himself, then he has not